employee efficiency. So here we could find how many tickets has been assigned, how many has been raised, how long it would take to address by each person, okay, based on the rise count and based on the checklist that has been performed by each person. So it would be really helpful most of our team. And the next thing is like geographic overview. If they are operating in one region, this one would be really helpful. Okay, they could see in which state they are getting a lot of work order that has been closed. And last but not least, this one and heat map would be the most required thing for our customers. Like if they want to monitor their team members' last activity, last known location, okay, then they could select here whenever they use our app, okay, based on their consent and the organization approval. If they are okay to track, then we are tracking them and showcase here, okay, what would be their last known location. If there are multiple persons in that organization, it will show all the details. And we also have heat map based on location, in which location there will be a lot of ticket rise and sheet is more. Okay, then it would be easy to closely watch on that area instead of figuring out on all the locations. This one would be really helpful if you have plans across multiple region or multiple countries. Okay, then this chart would be really helpful for you. And this is our overall chart. I will meet you on next dashboard explanation. Thank you.